lovely people. So in this video I'm gonna be checking out another brand new brand to me. I know all my videos now is like new brands to me. I mean, it's not new brands on a market, it's just I never tried those. Anyway, so I'm checking out this JOUER. I don't know how to pronounce. I'm so sorry. Leave a comment down below. Help a girl tell me how to pronounce this. So I got this little set. So it's the Essential Lip and Chaser Conditioner Treatment in Translucent Pink and the Essential Lip and Chaser Shine Balm in Rose. So I'm in the middle of doing makeup. I mean, I just filmed this eyeshadow tutorial if you guys are interested. It's super easy, step-by-step tutorial for who that eyes decrease eyeshadow look. So it's up on my channel. Check it out if you're interested. Alright, so let's see the set. Love the packaging so far. It looks very pretty. Well, I think without any further ado, let's open this up. It's a brand new brand to me, as well as the products. I haven't opened. Oh, you guys, packaging itself is velvety. I love it. So first we're gonna start from the Essential Lip and Chaser Conditioner Treatment in Translucent Pink. At the moment my lips feels super dry. I don't have any product on my lips. It does look a bit chapped. I think some lip balm would be good. This looks very pretty, by the way. We love it. It's cruelty-free and vegan-friendly brand, by the way. It even has a logo for it in here. It's very thick. Ooh, look at that, guys. Let's see if it's sticky or anything like that. It's not sticky, which is a plus. Okay, well, let's try my lips. I'm gonna go directly to this like tube. Oh, it feels nice, you guys. I thought there's no smell, but now when applying it on, I kinda can smell, and the smell is like roses. Yeah, it smells like roses. I like it. It literally smells like roses. That's why maybe the packaging is all in this roses, like in a gold roses, because it does smell like roses. It's nice. It's really surprisingly nice. And if you follow my channel, you probably know how much I don't like any smell whatsoever in my makeup or cosmetics. But this is pleasant, so. And it feels amazing on the lip. Very moisturizing. It smells so good though. It's like a bouquet of roses in front of my nose now, like under my nose. So far so good. Right, let's check out this Essential Lip and Chaser Shine Balm in a color rose. Just look at this packaging. Isn't that cute? This looks good. I love this gold roses going on. And the color looks very wearable. It says that it's color rose, but it's more like a reddish color. I don't know how intense the color is, but it looks beautiful so far. Okay, let's do a swatch to see. Not as intense as I thought it's gonna be, but then it's an Essential Lip and Chaser Shine Balm. It's not really a lippy, it's a balm, so that means it's gonna be super moisturizing, but it does have a color. Love it, you guys. Absolutely love it. I think if we apply on our lips, it's not gonna be super visible, but it's gonna give this nice color. Okay, let's see. Look at that, a little bit on the lip, and it just gives this nice, very natural look. Doesn't look like a lippy in any way. Oh, it feels very nice on the lips. Very moisturizing. Oh, this is what my lips need with all this cold weather, wind, the heating on, you know, drying off the skin in general. And it's good for summertime, obviously, as well, because your lips get dry from it. So. I like that this gave actually kind of peachy color. I thought it's gonna be more like a reddish. So first of all, this lip is like super solid. When it gets to the contact with the lips, because it's hot, it kind of starts melting. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see this, but it kind of starts melting, you see? How more like liquidy it got, which actually gives this like super moisturizing effect. First it was super solid, but now you see how shiny this part is? Alright, so this is not what I would usually wear, as I prefer the matte liquid lipsticks, as those doesn't leave any marks on you know, while you're eating or drinking. Then some of the lippies tend to dry lips a lot, so I think you could use this lip enchasing shine balm on the top of your matte liquid lipstick just to give a bit of a shine, moisturize it, or you can use this essential lip enchaser conditioning treatment before applying your liquid lipstick. So overall, it's a really good purchase. Definitely gonna be using it. Surprised how good it is. Like, I'm not gonna even do my usual lippy test. You know how I do the like glass of water or smudge or anything, because I'm sure it's gonna leave a mark if I do anything, because it's not a long-lasting, long wear or anything lip if they don't state that. But just for the sake of that, I'm gonna try the kiss test to see how much of that gonna transfer. So let's do it. I knew this. I knew it was gonna happen. So there's no even point, you know, because it's a lip balm rather than lasting lippy. But nevertheless, amazing product. I'm such a lipstickholic. If only you would see how many lipsticks I own. But yeah, definitely gonna be using this in the future, especially because I have very dry lips naturally, and this feels amazing. And you know another thing what I like actually, because I don't wear normally lip gloss or anything like that, because I feel like it gets sometimes, you know, on the teeth or anything, and the matte liquid lipsticks never does that. At least the ones that I wear, it never gets on my teeth, or it doesn't annoy, or you know, when your hair stuck on it. Or maybe it's just me that has that issues, because it's a lip balm. It's just gonna, I think, eventually soak up to the lips, but I'm still gonna have this color on, but it looks super natural and moisturizing. So humongous thumbs up from me. What do you guys think? Have you tried anything from this brand at all, or this is just as new to you as it's to me? Because I haven't tried anything yet. This is a very first product I got from this brand. We'll definitely check more because it feels amazing on the lips. It feels very, I don't even know how to explain. You know when you get more like high-end makeup and you kinda can feel the difference between your usual drugstore makeup, you know, that like wow effect. This definitely has it. Although I'm not saying that drugstore makeup is bad. I am obsessed with that. I have loads of products that are just as good as like super expensive ones, but this definitely worth your money. You're not gonna waste your money by getting that. And it's not sponsored. I invested my own money in that by getting it. So yeah, thumbs up from me for this product. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye. Have a great day, guys.